Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Hidayatullah. This is my presentation to human face recognition application using PCA and Eigenface groups. This is a journal completion to Anissa Lintang Ramadhani and Purnawan Musa, and three. Okay, next. This is online to introduction and reply to work. And three, propose the method and to result and conclusion. Okay, next to so introduction. Because the introduction human and computer interaction in application has been application in a system. One example of how to write to that we have developed in University Gunadarma. Application of the robot that has been integrated with quite common VMIC MEC. One example of the voice command decided by MIC and MEC detect and recognition and version. Okay, face recognition is one of the fastest growing technologies in the field of computer vision. You know, computer vision and the popularity of the biometric data of the individual and no longer just based on fingerprint data, but I know it spread to the face recognition data, where biometric technology in video recognition technology based on the special physical features and such as fingerprint has geometry, iris, and individual and face like behavior and such and voice and hand-on-hand working. Next, two written work. Face recognition has been studied by many research shadowing various algorithm and approved. Biometric use is the high security system of connection to traditional system using password or ID card for authentication. On the security system, one of the few application of biometric in the facial recognition use the security system, and face recognition itself has two main steps in general, which are face detection and face recognition. To perform face detection, cascade classified method of known as a Jones method is used. To perform a face recognition, there are many algorithms that can be applied with face recognition. Face recognition was to performed by feedforward neural network algorithm. Face recognition was to perform by Frisian component analysis or PCA algorithm. Next, this is a step by step to the on the face recognition. We will onward one and start qualification process to face training to face to mention yes or no on yes to admin innovation and training phase. And next, save the quality phase to folder to can format and trying to REST model and store to XML file and find to inference space to directional and again inference and tree. This is this work to in the by step to in the face recognition. Previous method, this is tracing in the using primary data type in the form is magic the red, green, blue, RGB format that are to abstain from capturing image by using built-in webcam and secondary data in the form of XML classifier field for the detection and recognition process. The variable of this result consists of the input variable of initial face image and training and face of out the variable of this result and are evolutionary next result. This is a result to the face recognition. Testing will measure the accuracy for the face recognition system that has been rebuilt. The test will use six train a user. It's a user to 14 varieties of image. 5 show to the average first image from the database. Figure 10 shows the test result to within the threshold of less than 15 of PCA used with the Eigenface in successful in defining the face correctly. The face of is personal in the sample of facial data is 20 with a variety of facial combination of the test result on neural network method with PCA method shown in the figure 10. PCA method in more effective in measuring time speed response when defining phase less than 1 second. Figure 11 show the result of error in facial recognition, where the first less found similar to 77%, then in the second phone error to more than 510 for values of result. Okay, next in the result example to detection to face recognition. This is my is the conclusion to for the face detection. This using cascade reflection method is very good and face ability to detect human face. Like in the Eagle factor, the beginning of the face detection process is very essential for the recognition process. So, with the face recognition stage has to be done with consistent or RGB color in the chest to grayscale and geometric image to transformation consisting of rotating scaling on the transmit in the image and do is histogram equation the spheroid carry on the both side of the face to make it balance between contrast and the brightness. The more variation of face training data that the system has, the better result of the face the recognition process we work well when the detection of the captures face result and clear to and not very. In conclusion to 6 to and 5, sorry, 5 to human face recognition using Eigenface face run very well and quick. And the sixth conclusion, the use of economic values and eigenvector in the general contribution and first produce an excellent image and can be used as a comparison of the previously and training image. And this is conclusion to step by step and go to the first detection or to face recognition by method to conclusion. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.